this rake is roughly twice the cost. But the real question is, are you paying double for looks or double for durability and performance? Well, let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back. I couldn't wait to get out here and finally try out my new VMENG Harley Rake. This thing is a monster. It's 59.5 inches wide and it is heavy. It is like 683 pounds. This Harley Rake runs a fixed piston motor, so it's built for solid torque and consistent power to that drum. And over here we have the cushion valve, and on the back side here we got a single hydraulic cylinder that lets you angle the rake left or right from the controls. And I'll show you that real quick. All right, while we got this up in the air, you can see the adjustable side guards, and they're on both sides, and this helps keep the material from flying everywhere. So you can adjust the angle on that. All you got to do is come over here, grab this pin, put this up. This actually comes off, and if you look on top here, there's 3 different angles that you can put it in. I'm just going to keep mine straight, and we're good to go. Put the pin back in. Perfect. The drum is 48 inches wide, and the teeth are removable too. So if you wear one down or break one, it's easily replaceable. You just unscrew it, screw another one in, and you're good to go. I love this feature. Coming up here to the top, we got the wheels, and check out the size of this thing. They're huge, and they roll easily, they swivel easy. Look at that thing. This thing's a monster. All right, I got my direct Harley Rake on my 580T Pro. That way we can see these two side by side. You can definitely see the size difference between these two. Now the direct Harley Rake was $1,130, and with shipping it came out to around $1,555. The VMENG Harley Rake was right around $2,580, I think, if I remember right. And then with shipping, it came with other attachments, so I don't have the exact cost for shipping, but I would probably say probably around $600 for shipping. So probably close to around $3,100 for the VMENG Harley Rake. Now I've used the direct Harley Rake quite a bit out here at the campground, and it did a decent job at resurfacing the gravel out here. But I ran into issues with this thing right away, and the issues that I kept having was with these little wheels here. And what they would do is they bend very easily, and every time I straighten them up, they just keep bending. So when you're using the direct Harley Rake, they will stop rolling on you, and they will lock in sideways just like this, and you end up just dragging it, cutting huge ruts into your gravel. That's one of the big reasons why I wanted to step up to something heavier duty like the VMENG Harley Rake. So yeah, this rake is roughly twice the cost. But the real question is, are you paying double for looks or double for durability and performance? Well, let's find out. All right, I'm done running it today, and holy cow, this thing is amazing. Being able to angle the Harley Rake makes a massive difference. That feature alone changes everything. I actually ran it around this curve to test it out. Instead of fighting the road or making multiple passes, I could just angle the rake and let it work with the shape of the road. And you can see it's turning this gravel over and laying it down pretty evenly. So this thing is awesome. This Harley Rake is going to be a game changer for us out here at our campground. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.